So in the last video we saw as the boy with his parents enters the village fair, he finds a sweet shop at the very beginning. Let us see what happens further. A sweet meat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. I want that barfi, he slowly murmured, but he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So as they enter the fair, he first sees a sweet shop and he wants a barfi. He puts in his demand, but he knows that his demand would not be met. So without the answer, he moves forward. Then he sees a flower shop, a person selling gulmohar garland, and he asks for it. But again he knows that his plea will not be met. So he again starts moving forward. Let us see what happens further. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. But he well knew that his parents would never buy him balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. So boys and girls, first he asks for the sweets, doesn't get an answer. Then he asks for the garland, and then of course he is waiting for the colorful flower, the colorful balloons. But he even knew that he won't be provided with. His parents won't buy him. So they again start moving. What happens further in the story? We have to see. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music, As the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. There was a roundabout in full swing. Men, women, children, carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on to the roundabout. Please, father, mother. So, further moving, he sees a snake charmer, but as he knows that he was forbidden to listen to such hoarse music, so he moves forward. And further, he along with the parents meets the roundabout swing, the full swing, and there he makes a very strong request. This time the request is very strong that I want to go on the roundabout. Please, Papa. Please, Mama. Let us see what happens further in the story. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. A full, deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, Mother, Father. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. Panic-stricken, he ran to one side first and then to the other, hither and thither, in all the directions, knowing not where to go. Mother, Father, he wailed. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. So here the story changes completely. So far the child was asking for each and everything, but when he was making a strong request for the roundabout, when he looks at his parents, he doesn't find them. They have gone. He finds them nowhere. And the child starts crying. What happens further? We will see in the next video. But before that, I would like you to watch this video twice, read the text and answer my questions. Thanks for joining.